think one thing that makes Nerdery unique is this shared sense of curiosity and desire to learn.
It's very much the modern definition of being a nerd, is that you have an intense obsession or passion for something, whether it's baseball or mechanical keyboards or Star Wars or learning the newest in code. And when you're passionate about something in your life like that, it's part of your personality and it can be found in everything you do. And that's what comes through when you're a Nerdery engineer.
I feel like I'm part of a community of really passionate people with all different sorts of interests. And I love that Nerdery celebrates those different interests. We have such a culture of knowledge sharing and empowering each other that our mentorship and coaching program has really helped me grow not only technically, but also my soft skills. And it's given me so much more confidence in what I do as an engineer.
I really appreciate how approachable the other nerds are. We're definitely here to support each other, to learn from each other, to share our problems and our successes, and it really helps all of us grow as developers. I've gotten a lot of opportunities to try new things, and I really appreciate how the company supports me along the way.
And I was presented with the opportunity to cross-train from an iOS developer and then into a React Native developer. They gave me a mentor who I could ask questions to, gave me some time to pick up some skills, and then when I was ready, put me on a project as an individual contributor doing React Native so I could get that real world experience and level up those skills really quickly.
To be a Nerdery engineer, it really involves a sense of grit. There's really hard problems that come up, and it takes a sense of perseverance to kind of make it through that challenge. And the nice thing is we have really smart, brilliant nerds to always keep you pushing forward.